Hello guys, my name is Felipe and I'm here today to show a small application that I developed. It's called Shuffle Move Helper. It is a tool to help filling the board from the Shuffle Move app for Pokemon Shuffle. To use this, you need my custom version of the Shuffle Move. I will put both links on the description, and you will also need some application to mirror the screen of your phone to your computer. So you just download both files, my shuffle move here and my shuffle move helper here. I have them already downloaded in a folder. You just extract them, and the shuffle move here have this project.x. You can just open it. It will open the shuffle move uh, normal application. Here you can see 1.01, it's my custom version. And in the shuffle move helper, you just load this main.x file. It will then open the application. It must load some tools on the first time, and it's here. Probably you won't see any Pokemons on your first time this screen. You can minimize. Then you open your mirror screen app. I'm using this EasyCast, but any other app should work. This one is pretty easy. You just scan the QR code with your phone and it will soon begin start the okay, here. I like to put the mirror tool on the left corner of the screen of the screen, the shuffle move helper on the bottom right, and the shuffle move on the top right here. Now let me go to on the phone to the Pokemon Shuffle. I will already open a file. I can't control the phone with the program. I'm using my hand to this. So here I just started a match. The first thing you need to do is you need to configure your board position. Here you click and it will open your current screen, and here you just match and square on the board like this. It will open a screen showing how the board was filled. It's okay like this. You must be careful because if you like get too much, when it split the board, it will split wrong. So you need to be careful. You need to do something like this. It's good enough. You only need to do this on your first time, then it will record these positions. Now you came here in execute. On the first time you won't have any Pokemon here. So I'm on the Kyogre stage, it's a water one. So you can come here and select water. And now I will fill my board. I have the Charizard Shiny X. I have the Turtwig Winking. I have the Roserade Winking. And I never remember his name. Hawlucha Shine here. My Charizard Shiny X is the Mega one. And this stage has barriers, so I can activate this. You can check the barrier sprites if you put your mouse here. It just shows all the images that I have saved on them. So with all this set, you can just click on execute. Okay, here you can see we have an Kyogre here, and he didn't feel alright because I didn't selected Kyogre. So he will try to match all the Pokemons here with the Pokemons here. If you missed someone, he will try to fill with the closest one. Now, if I execute again, here is Kyogre. So the main idea is pretty simple. Right now I can just play with my hand on my phone, wait for the board to stop, and execute again. You can see there are some wrong because I didn't select this. That is the wood one. If I put it and run again, now you can see that he filled correctly. So you can just keep playing when he finds a mega. And here, if I execute, he already set it. It's pretty straightforward. You can use this capture loop function. It will try to keep reading your screen. So let me try. I will make a play, and you can see he is constantly reading and loading and doing it again and again. For long stages, it's a good thing to do. You just wait for the board to settle and do your play. It's pretty simple. It's based entirely on the shuffle move, so he don't do any tips on the tapper part. You need to figure it by yourself, but it's pretty simple. One thing that I have here is this option current board. When you click it, it just open your, on the left side is the current board, and on the right side is the icons that he matched. It's just for debugging purposes. And we have this register icon. What this do, it will open several windows, and what he do is he shows on the left side the icons on the screen, and on the right side the icons that he matched. These icons here, I have them already saved, but yes, there won't be any wrong one. But let's say that this Haulucha sprite, he's guessing wrong. I could just click on Haulucha and it will open this next screen, and here I will say, oh, this sprite belongs to this Pokemon, and he will add that image to the database. This Mega Charizard Shiny X with barriers is this Mega Charizard Shiny X with barriers. And when you do this, he start incrementing your own database of images. We have this load team function. It's pretty straightforward. As you start playing, you will have some teams pre-recorded. So if I'm going to play on a, let's say, a grass stage, I can just load my, where is here, it will just load my last team that I used on a grass stage. If I load water again, it will load this last water team. It's pretty simple. Here you can set the move strategies and the stage type. When you load a team, it will automatically update here. I think this is the basic informations on the shuffle move helper. Here, one thing that it's good to make, it's you should configure your Pokemon's levels and skills, because shuffle move will use them to, it's like, oh, my Turtwig only has hammering streak on 3, my whole raid is at 5, Haulucha is at 5. With this correctly filled, the move will tend to give Rosa Raid and Haulucha more plays than the Turtwig, because they can cause more damage. I think this is the, oh, one other thing, this stage add option, this one is, you can set this, and what it do, it's here put the Pokemon as stage added. This only helps on stages that you have a Pokemon like Hitmonlee that has the shutout ability. Then it will use his ability shutout as another damage multiplier. I think it's this. Have a good game, guys. Bye.